So in this research, we are studying micro-entrepreneurs across various countries. They are often, in many cases, eking out a hand-to-mouth existence. Now, properly studying the causes for this, what are the kinds of constraints that might be hampering them, what we could do perhaps to ease those constraints, all those things hold the promise that we can raise an entire generation of micro-entrepreneurs out of poverty, and in so doing release entire countries or translate entire countries onto a faster growth path. And this is an alternative to figuring out more ways of giving development aid. Our preliminary research seems to suggest that there are three major classes of constraints that micro-entrepreneurs face. Okay? They face constraints of information. So they often do not know whom to sell to. They do not know whom to buy from in terms of sourcing supplies. They do not know the right prices that are prevailing in the market. The second large set of constraints is access to finance. Okay? Turns out the majority of these micro-entrepreneurs in the kinds of countries we are talking about are what are called unbanked. They do not have access to the formal financial system. Okay? They most definitely do not have bank accounts or credit cards or debit cards and so on. The third big constraint that we have found is that of skill. It's talking to micro-entrepreneurs, we often find it amazing how even simple questions like, why are you selling what you're selling? What is your target market like? Do you think your product is sufficiently differentiated from another micro-entrepreneur sitting 100 feet away from you? All of these are questions to which they often don't have answers. They haven't thought about this. And it's then that you realize that a lot of these skills on simple things like tracking inventory, simple things like accounting, what are credits, what are liabilities. Okay? These are things that one often takes for granted. But these are things that a lot of these micro-entrepreneurs do not have access to.